Welcome to your Body Attack tutorial. We're going to learn some moves that you'll see in the first track. So let's get started. The first move is a step touch. So you simply step and touch to the side, one side to the other. As you touch, just tap the toe, keep the heel up, and then transfer your weight to the other side. So you're just moving your body weight side to side. Now for all moves in Body Attack, we have a Body Attack position, and it's by bracing the abs and keeping the upper body nice and tall, by lifting the shoulders back and down and keeping them directly over the hips. So step touch. Another great move in Body Attack is a step curl. So we're simply lifting the heel as we step across and lift the heel. Maintaining that Body Attack set position in the upper body with the shoulders over the hips, abs are braced and the body nice and tall. Yes, good. Just step and curl. And stop there. Another move you'll see in this track is a march. Simply marching on the spot, but with the attack set position with the body up nice and high, abs braced, chest lifted, back nice and straight, and just marching with the knees in front. You want to try to keep the hips square to the front whenever you're moving in Body Attack, so there's no rotation through the spine. And then you can just take it up into a light march, or take the feet apart and do a bounce side to side. So still, right, left, shifting your weight, hips are staying square, chest is staying lifted, and just a natural running arm. So this is your bounce. Bring it back into a march, keep moving, nice and narrow, and now let's take it wide into a bounce again. There it is. Good, side to side, staying straight. Don't move the shoulders, keep it still. There you go. And then bring it back and stop. Another move in the Body Attack warm-up is a squat. Feet wide, sitting back and down through the hips, pushing the knees out as you go down, and then coming up to a standing position. So a single squat, down and up. There it is, hips back, chest nice and high. And let's do two more, and let's change the rhythm. Let's stay down for 3, 2, 1, and then up. 3, 2, 1, and up. So stay low in the squat, and then we stand, we push the whole foot down into the ground and stand tall. And the last move in a Body Attack warm-up is simply a march, a bounce, and a direction change. So we walk forward for 8, we walk back for 8 as well. So let's count together. Come forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really straightforward. Now, let's try it with some music. All right, so we start with our feet apart in our Body Attack step position. Belly in, reach up, nice and high. Then we drop down into a squat, just to start to engage the quads, the glutes, and warm up the hips. Then we place the hands to the floor. We sit the hips up and just release and stretch through the hamstrings. And then in your own time, we roll up, we sort of shake a little, and then we do our step touch, side to side. Right, left, right, left. So just shifting your weight side to side. Bring the foot in and tap just inside the heel. And just keep that going. And as you step out, just try to sink down through the hips a little, engaging the quads and warming up the glutes, eh? Good, friend? Does that feel good? All right, we're gonna change this just to a little bounce on the spot, right there. So feet are wide, as you see, outside your hips, and you're just like doing a wide march, really. This is like a modified bounce. Now keep the rhythm going, just bring it in and march. Yep, just march. Yeah, good. This is a great move to get the heart rate up, and you'll always see it in the warm-up. All right, we're going to change the same move and change direction. Just come forward for 8, then stop on the spot and hold. And now move back for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and march. Now step touch again. 1, 2. There you go. Let's try it the second time around. So just hips are square, chest is up, and that once again, just a little drop, down and up. We use the bend in the legs to get the intensity in the lower body. just side to side. All right, next move, we have a squat, down and up, down and up, down and up. As you go down, pushing your knees out and pushing your hips back. And now triple squat down. 3, 2, 1, squeeze at the top. Good, keep pushing your knees out, keeping the chest up. Now do the same thing, but add a reach as you stand. Down, 2, 3, and reach. There you go, hand up. 2 more times. 1 more time. All right, back to that, bounce, wide march. Go. There you go. Yeah, good. All right, so here it is here. If you want to shift the weight, sort of bounce over a little more, that's up to you. But now bring it narrow and march. Knees up, chest up, pump your arms. Look at that knee pump, eh? It's even a bit of a bounce over there. There you go. All right, change direction. 8, moving forward. Move forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. Good, 8 times back. Move back. And then on the spot. Can we step touch again? Step touch. Too easy. Now if you're feeling comfortable, keep moving side to side, but just lift the heel up as you change over. Step left, step left. Brace your abs, hips are square, and this is our step curl. There you go, easy, well done. Let's try those squats, down and up, down and up. Hinging back. As you stand, pressing your whole foot into the floor and squeezing through the glutes. Let's try the triple squat down. 1, 2, 3, and up. Yeah, great. Great squats, sitting back. 1 more time, add the arms. So as you see, once we get the lower body moving, we can add the upper body. And go, same footwork, same upper body, reach higher. All right, back to the wide march or a bounce. Go, there it is. Getting the hang of it now. All right, little bounce, little shift. Good athletic running arms. Bring your feet narrow and march again. Let's go. Yeah, good. I'm already feeling the sweat. Are you feeling the sweat? Yes? All right, good. Now we're gonna practice a little faster direction change. March forward, come forward for 8, and then go straight back. 8, 7, 6, 5. Do it again, come forward. You are on the way. And let's finish there with your arms up. Stop. Whoop. Hey, if you'd like more, check out Les Mills Plus.